Hello people, so today we will talk about iPhone again and its feature. I would like to introduce you to the screen time feature. So basically screen time feature is a feature to help you manage your time in using the application that you have on your iPhone. So how to manage the screen time? You just need to open your settings and you just need to scrolling down until you found this screen time option. So you just need to go click it. So you can manage every single applications that you want to manage. So you can add the durations about how long you want to use your application, and the iPhone will control it for you. So you just need to go click this app limits right here, and you can just go click this add limit, and you can just pick which application that you want to add the screen time or time limit with. So let's say we want to have a time limit for the games here, so you just need to go click this. Means that you activate for all the games that you have on your phone. If you want to select specifically, you just need to go unselect it and go click this part, and then you just need to pick which games applications that you want, and also work for the social media. So here, if you want to give a limit time for specific telegrams here, specific applications here, you can just pick which applications that you want to manage. Let's say here I want to do this, and then you just need to go click next. Now you just need to pick how long that you want to play with it. Let's say you only want to play it with only 30 minutes, so you just need to adjust it into the 30 minutes. And make sure that you also custom the day. If you custom the day for the weekdays, it's also possible. If you want the Sunday, you have limited access, you just need to go click it and bring the minutes information here into the 0. Or you can just adjust it into like 2 hours, 3 hours or more. So basically that is the way how to use the screen time. Hopefully you enjoy this video. So let's meet again into other tutorials.